it's Mimi from Living Will Kitchen. I'm working with one of my favorite companies, Wyman's of Maine, to get the news out about wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are not like the regular blueberries you've been eating your whole life. Wild blueberries are just what they say they are. They're wild. They're not planted by a farmer. They simply grow naturally in Maine and eastern Canada. Yep, they thrive in the harsh Maine and Canadian climate. And only once every 2 years do they produce fruit. Pretty cool, huh? But my favorite part is their taste. Because they're wild, they have a biodiversity that makes them taste incredible. Plus, in tests, wild blueberries have been proven to have up to twice the antioxidants as ordinary blueberries. You heard me right. Great taste and more antioxidants. So how do you use them? Well, they're great in smoothies, in your cereal and oatmeal, on top of your yogurt, and in baking. You can make the best pancakes and muffins with these babies, and even eat them right out the bag. So if I were you, I would add Wyman's Wild Blueberries to your shopping list for your next grocery visit. Trust me, you will not be disappointed.